Hello, my dear students and viewers. Welcome back to my channel, Scorpio Class. In this video, we are going to discuss key answer of Model Question Paper 2 25-26. And this video is going to be very helpful for all my dear students, especially for my class 10 students. So in this video, I'm going to share all the answers of all the questions along with the marks allocation for each of the questions so that you get a complete idea of how to answer the question in the exams without any mistakes or error, and also you will get to know the allocation of marks for each step. So let's get started without any ado. Yes, this is model question paper 2 which we are discussing the answer key of it. So here I am going to share quickly at a glance all the answers. Wherever needed and required, you can take a snapshot or you can just pause the video and look at the question and answers. So here we start with multiple choice questions, and the answer for the first question is option C, 3. Similarly, answer for question number 2 is option B. Okay, so quickly have a look at it. Last minute revision can say for this, and if you have time, you can also solve the bigger sums, which is going to be there in the next part of the video, the other part of the video. So question number 3 and answer for it is option D. Option D is the answer. Then question 4, option A is the answer. Okay, question 5, option B is the answer. Then question 6, option D is the right answer. And then for question 7, option C is the right answer. And for question 8, option B is the right answer, 8 centimeter. So this was our first main multiple choice question. Now let's move on to the second main, answer the following questions. Now you will have 1 mark questions where you have a question and answer below it. So just have a glance and look at it wherever required. Again, I'll tell you to pause the video or take the screenshot and then practice it. So you can see the mark allocation at the right hand side. So you will understand how many marks is allotted for each step for the longer questions usually. For here, this is for 1 mark. So this is the question and answer is given over here, and the marks allocation is here. Then question 11, and then continued by question 12 and its answer. Question 13, its solution. Then question 14, 15, and then question 16. I hope you are getting it. You will get a clear idea of how many marks is given and what kind of questions are asked. So now we come to next main, question 17. From here, the question starts for 2 marks. And here is the question and answer is just below it. So see the marks allocation given here. For each step or 2 of the steps, you have half of marks. So this is how you can make a note of it. You can practice it. You can understand how marks is allotted for each step. Even if you don't know the entire sum, you can at least try to work out if the step goes right, you will earn half mark over there. So this is the main motive of showing you the answer and the model answer key here. Then question 18, along with the question you have answer and the marks allocation. Then question 19 is having optional question. You can see or here. This is one of the questions and this is the next question. Anyone you have to attempt. Let's see both of the answers. So answer for the first one. And then from here you have answer for the second one. So you can see very clearly how marks is given for each step and the whole marks for the entire sum is given over here. Then question 20 is again an optional question. You have 2 questions here. Question 1 and then or and one more question. And then answer for the same is given over here. So this is how you can practice and get a thorough idea of how to solve and do your exam. Coming to question 21, again, the question is given here and step-by-step answer is given over here. Then question 22, you are using Pythagoras theorem and you're solving the sum here. You can see the answer and the points. Then question 23 with the answers. Then question 24. Very clearly each step is given, so you can take the screenshot, pause the video and then revise it. And then we finish this main, we come to next fourth main. From here it is 3 mark questions. And here you see number of options for every question. So here there is one question over here, and then you have an optional question below it. And similarly, you have the answer followed here one, and the second answer will be below this. So from here you are having second answer. Solution for the second question, optional question. Okay. So next we'll move on to the 26th question. What problem kind of question is given, and the answer and its steps is given over here. Then question 27, again it's an optional question. You can see one question is here and the second question is over here. Similarly, you will get the answer for it. Answer for the first one. And next, the answer for the second one. Then 28th question. Solution. See the steps, the allocation of mark for each step. Then question 29. Find the mode and the median or the median. There are 2 questions, and this is important topic because you either get mode or median in optional and compulsory question you will have in the paper. So first you have answer for mode question and then for the median. Then question 30. Answer for it. Question 31. Solution is given over here. Then 32 again is having optional question in it. One question is here and the other question is here. So the answer for the first one. And then continued by the second answer for the second question. Then question 33. Followed by its answer. Then we come to fifth main, 4-mark question, question 34. It's a graph question, linear equation, graphical representation has to be done. So first solve it and then you can mark it on the graph paper which is given to you. Question 35, again optional question. 2 questions are here and the answer is followed here. And the second answer is here. So again, question 36, again 2 options, 2 questions. The answer starts here for the first one, and for the second one, it starts from here. I hope this answer key is going to help you all in solving the problem and preparing for your exams. So thoroughly revise all the model papers because most of the questions will be repeated from the model papers as well. So here we come to question 37. This is the question. And here you get the answer for it in detail, step by step, with marks allocation for each step. Okay. Then we come to our last one, that is 5-mark question. And here you have 2 questions here for question 38. Optional question is here, 1, and this is the second one. So let's see the answer. Answer for the first question and second optional question's answer is over here. Along with the steps, allocation of marks for each step. And this is the end of the paper. We come to the last question and the answer is shared with you all. So all the answers were shared of each of the questions along with the marks allocation of each question and step-by-step solution. So I hope this is going to help you a lot in preparing your exam. If you like the video, you hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and do comment in the comment section like how much this video has helped you all in preparing for your exams. And also comment if you want any other videos from our side, and also join my WhatsApp channel. The link is shared in the description box. So that's it for this video. We'll be back soon with more such new videos. Till then, stay safe and take care. Thank you.